Shelves works out pretty good, don't they? Hey, welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel for another episode of Dickin around in the shed. Well, we're going to dick around, I guess. It's starting to rain pretty all week, and then on the weekends it starts raining. Well, it's Friday, March 22nd. If you might be curious, run an intro and we'll see what we get into. I've cleaned off some shelves. Run the intro now. I don't know what that was about. Well, I was using my little camera thingy. Put my phone on my tripod. I was taking some selfies. Would that be considered selfies or time lapse? I don't know. I was making a picture. Okay. What else can we talk about? I made a new another front bumper. This Gen 3. I think this is going to be my regular design, maybe. I mean, the only thing that's different is it's a little bit, about a couple inches, 2 inches on the sides maybe, and I put a bend here. As you can see, it kind of just curves in because the spider kind of go around like this, and then so it's kind of, yeah. And I didn't put the bars in here. I don't know why I didn't. I just thought it'd be a little different, because most of them it's easier to just run that sling mod light inside and most of the new ones got it's comes with that driving light. Yeah. So this one's sold, babe. Either it's this one or the one's on hers. See what I'm saying here? How it comes around right here, and I just kind of made it come in, just kick it in just a little bit. As you can see, probably could have kicked it in a little bit more, but oh well, that's good enough. Good enough. Get it hung. And so I said, this is the sling mod light right here that goes with the. You add, and it's already pre-plugged. That would come on with your switch, but this has got its own. You can cut it off and on. Mr. Mustache said it was pretty bright. Yeah, that's good. That's a good recommendation. So, yeah, and I believe satin. This is satin black, not polished. So it's kind of mixed, shiny, and not flat. I need a place to put it. Do you ever just think? You see something in a store somewhere and you're like, huh, and it catches your eye, and it's an impulse buy. That's what I was talking about. Well, I impulse buy. See what I got here. Suds Labs. I guess this CS. Oh.
Ceramic spray sealant. Hydroponics protection repels dirt and grimes. Yeah, you don't like that old Rick Grimes. Some people get it, some people won't. You got it? Leave a comment down in the description. Produces a high gloss shine, safe on all exterior surfaces, causing eye and skin irritation. Profiler precaution on side panel. Yeah, so I just thought, if anything, I could have used the bottle, spray bottle. That's pretty good too. It's just like, warning, causes serious eye irritation. Causes skin irritation. Uh-oh, I just sprayed it on my hand. It'll be alright. First aid if swallowed. Don't swallow it, people. It's not for internal use. Do not induce vomiting. Call a poison center if something. Contaminate clothes and wash affected areas. Call poison center. Okay, contains some kind of
stuff. Keep out of reach of children. Hey, you don't see that much. Made in America, the beautiful. What else I got in the bag? I got some got some stuff here that I can make a shelf with. Where you going? Oh, you all over the place. Maybe that's just me. I'm gonna make some shelves along that wall, I think. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. And like I'm talking about import spies, got some octane boost. Lucas is supposed to be good. Stop pinging. Tested increase octane by 3 full numbers. So if you got 87, that would make it 90, right? 93 would be 96. I can do math. That's twice now it's done repaired my files. Wrapped in another package. 3 packages he wrapped that one box in. The box was also wrapped up in the stuff inside, which is these right here. Because I need this again. Yeah, mine slipped for some reason. I can't get it tight enough without stripping out so-called head here. I said head. So we're gonna change that out right quick. Should be simple enough. Simple enough that I could do it. See what I mean? I found out on the way to Daytona. I put my foot up and kind of pushed on it, and it kind of loosened up. And I tightened that up. Yeah, it's not. Won't tighten no more, I don't guess, without stripping out the head.
I said head again. Oh, dirty minds, dirty mind. I just wondered. Just to change the boat. She don't look much better than that one. You know what? I could wrap some tape around this. Oh, this is the pin kind, and this one might clamp better because it's not. See, this one's kind of, you got the little clip together, and this one is one piece. So let's see. Let's just do it this way. I believe this one's gonna clamp more if I don't break it. You got 3 things you gotta hold up here, and it ain't working for me. Washer in the center. Wash the sister sauce. Get that going, Now get that in there. Take this right quick. Get my boat started. I can't get my boat started. There it goes. Now let's turn this around. About where I want it. Go down some. That's about right. So let's tighten it down right there. Yeah, make sure it's in there firmly.
In the socket thing. Oh, I can tell that's good and tight. Oh yeah. I think that was the biggest problem is, now let's see if anybody noticed that this side's got a pin in it and this side don't. That's when I don't. I guess I could change the other one out. But I'm not. Let me see. Don't get old, people. I didn't show you, but I sat on it, and it's good. A1A. Detroit Avenue. I can't get that out of my head. Alrighty, let's see. As you can see, I done cleaned off all the junk down through there. I took it to my other shed, the lawnmower shed. So, I don't know where to start. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, we were supposed to be doing something else, ain't we? Sorry. It'd be a good time, you know what? To drain the old Husky. The old girl Husky air compressor. 25. What is it? 25 gallons? 5 horse? 1 horse? I don't remember. There's a rotor in here somewhere. I'm gonna set it down so I don't have to bend over. Oh, it's got a handle on it, but I can't turn it. Give me some pliers here. Give me old Husky pliers. Just a pet cop. Did I probably... Oh, there it goes. Then I'm going to set it up. Hey, it's a little dirty, don't you think? It's demo time. Demo time. Tim Time Taylor. Got it! Oh. You don't, might want to save that, because I need something to put a shelf on. Alright. Well, I double nailed and it wasn't going nowhere. You know what time it is? Oh. Hammer time! Boy, and screws and nails and... Whiz. Three nails hold 2x4 together into a steady wall. Gee, me, I built that sucker strong, didn't I? Strong, I said. Put your nails in your ramp so you falls down in the crack and you won't never have a flat. Is that right? You know what time it is now? Level time. Oh, I'm on the redesign part now. Good enough. I did that so I could put this bracket. This bracket here, I can mount it right here and have something to screw it to, like a shelf. That's the plan. And that requires a measuring device, which we call them around here tape measure. I don't know what they call them in UK. Why would I care? Uh-oh, hello. That's not... We got a problem here because this is a 2x4 this way like this one, but we got a 2x4 going this way. So I'm going to have to put it behind there, and I can't, can I? How am I going to do that? Put it behind that one. That ain't going to hurt. If I make it 32 and a half. 32 would work. 32 it is, folks. 32. Now we're jumping over to the circular portion of this thing. And this is a portable skill saw. Because it takes skills to run it. I'm just full of all kind of corny jokes today. I need this. I need this. And I'll get down here on my hands and knees. Mark out 32 and a half. 32. Let's go with 32. See, I don't have a pencil on me. I'm going to do a trick that I'm going to use. And that's going to be right in the way. No, it's not. 32. How long is that bar right there? I want to cut it on 32. See what I'm doing? Probably not, but it looks good to me. Oh, I get up here where y'all can see what I did. See, I took the level and I took the skill saw and lined my blade up with it and made a straight cut. I didn't have to waste a marker. Put a mark on it. Marky Mark. Call me Nail It Tam. You know what time it is now? It's screwing time, because I ain't got no nails. Screwing time. Oh, I got a short acetylene torch, acetylene tank here, and I'm just eyeballing it. And I got a level here, so I know how to get that level. Not gonna be best. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. That's German for perfect. What you doing, Bohannon? Oh, lost my level. You know, if I cut it smart, I could have put it behind there, drilled through the board. But I didn't do it. I did it redneck and rednecked it. Get my screw started here. Get my screw, get my level. Because I want it kind of look halfway decent. I'm on half a palm off level. There you go. Good enough. Did I say that's German for perfect? Good enough? Good enough. Alright, what's next? Let's see. Clean out that mess. Now it's sweeping time. Oh, hey, you still with me? You still with me? We about got it all wrapped up over here. As you can see, I have cleaned the corner, made it more neatest. About my shelf built. Just screwing it down. Just using whatever I got. I got deck screws. So they're going into the piece of wood. I said deck screws. And just ignore my custom square, because I forgot that I hang this here and I don't want to move it. So it's got a cut it there. It's got a custom notch. Ooh, that's perfect work, because I'm about 10% of battery life left. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed a little dicking around, remodeling the shed. I think I gained a foot more space. Go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we'll catch you on the next project, which I have no idea. Oh, hopefully it's stereos.